Have you ever felt a little bit jealous when someone in your class gets a gold star or wins a game? It's okay, I felt that way too. But let me tell you a story. Once upon a time, in a colorful town called Rainbowville, there lived a girl named Lily. Lily loved playing soccer, but she always saw her friend Mia winning trophies. Lily felt sad and a bit jealous. She thought, why can't I be as good as Mia? One sunny day, Lily decided to ask Mia about her secret to success. Mia smiled and said, "Lily, I wake up early every day to practice. It's not easy, but I love soccer so much that I keep going." Lily was surprised. She never knew Mia worked so hard. Lily started to realize that success isn't just about winning trophies. It's about enjoying what you do and working hard. So Lily began practicing soccer every day too. She found that she loved the journey even more than winning. Then one day, Lily scored a goal in a big game. She was super happy, not just because she scored, but because she knew how hard she worked. And guess what? Mia cheered the loudest for Lily. So, my friends, remember this. Everyone has their own journey. Instead of feeling jealous, think about all the fun and hard work that goes into reaching a goal. Celebrate others' success and keep doing what you love. Because just like Lily, your hard work and passion will make your own story amazing. Thanks for listening, and don't forget to smile and cheer for your friends. See you next time.